Jai Ma Saraswati. So hello friends, in this time I am at the origin point of the Saraswati river, which is only visible here because we know that in Prayagraj there is a Triveni Sangam with the Ganga Yamuna Saraswati river. That is not visible here Saraswati river, but Ganga Yamuna is visible, but the Saraswati river is visible at this place in Mana village in Uttarakhand in Chamoli district close to the Badrinath temple. So this is the view and origin of the Saraswati river, which is visible from the here. And this is the one of the most beautiful idol of the goddess Saraswati, who is a goddess of the knowledge, music and art. So let's see the view of Saraswati. So bolo Ma Saraswati ki jai. Jai Vishnu, Jai Badri. So right now I am in Mana village, which is considered as the first village of India, which is located in Chamoli district. And right now the Saraswati river, which is flowing from here, this is the origin of the Saraswati river. And we can see the goddess idol of Saraswati also kept here on the origin of the Saraswati river. And even there is also one of the beautiful temple of Saraswati also. So let's see, this is one of the beautiful of goddess Mahasaraswati. So it is a very good place, and we can see this is the origin point of the Saraswati river, which is flowing from the here, because we know very well about that the Saraswati river is a tributary of the Alaknanda river, which is flowing in Uttarakhand state in India, and is joined the Alaknanda river at Keso Prayag in Mana village after 500 meter, flowing from the origin point of Saraswati river. And Saraswati temple is also visible from here, which is so beautiful temple, which is connected by the Bhim pool. We can see the Bhim pool is also visible from here, and I have to cross the Bhim pool also. I will cross. So let's see, it's a very good moment for me that today I am in Mana village. That is a very historical village in India, considered as the first village of India. And so let's see, from here it is visible fully Saraswati river, and I am going to touch the water of Saraswati river here, because one of the part of Saraswati river water is falling here. So I am feeling so amazing, and the water is so cold of Saraswati river, which is falling from here. And it is a very sacred water also, because nowadays we know that in our country Saraswati river is disappeared on the earth because of the curse of the Maharshi Ved Vyas, who cursed the Saraswati river to disappear. So nowadays Saraswati river is not visible in our country. So right now I am crossing the Bhim bridge. Let's see, this is a very natural bridge, and which was made by the Bhim to cross the, because it is a part of the Swarga Rohini. So even it is so one of the many more tourists are always coming to visit places in Mana village. So I am going to explain about the Mana village. First, before that I have to visit the Saraswati temple, which I am going to visit. So let's see and explore to with me. Jai Ma Saraswati, Jai Ma Lakshmi. So even we know about that Saraswati is one of the main Vedic and Puranic goddess of Hinduism, and goddess Saraswati is presiding goddess of the music, arts, speech, motherhood, spirituality, learning and knowledge, scriptures, wisdoms and learning. So, and one of the most popular festival is a Basant Panchami, which is related with the Mahasaraswati, that we are celebrating in the month of February and March during the Basant Panchami spring season. So this is one of the most beautiful temple of Saraswati in Mana village, that is the origin point of the Saraswati river, and we can see the idol of Saraswati. So Om Namo Saraswati Bhaya Namaha. So lots of, so, and there are also so many idols along with the Mahasaraswati, along with the Vishnu, and even Lata Mangeshkar a statue also established along with the Tukaram. We can see this is the idol of this Tukaram, because we know about that Sant Tukaram Maharaj, who was a Hindu Marathi saint from Varkari Sampradaya in Dehu village in Maharashtra in 17th century. He was a Bhakt and devotee of the god Vithoba of Pandharpur, which is located current time in the Solapur district, who was a very great saint at that time in his period. And this is the so Jai Shri Shivshankar, Jai Mahasaraswati. So right now I am at the origin point of the Saraswati river in Mana village, which is the first village of India, and this is the place, from this place where the everyone from like Pandavas, including the Draupadi, who went through this way to the heaven. That reason it is also called as a door of the heaven. So it is one of the most beautiful. Let's see, and I am right now just in front of the statue of the Maharani Draupadi along with the 5 Pandavas like Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev, Yudhishthir and the Bhim. So let's see and learn lots of things and facts regarding the places, and let's explore. So after visiting the Saraswati river, I just crossed the Bhim bridge, Bhim pool, and it is believed that the greatest Pandavas crossed through Mana on their final journey to heaven. So there is a stone bridge called as a Bhim pool near the Saraswati river, which is said to have built by Bhima himself to help his wife Draupadi was cross the Saraswati river, which is called Swargarohini, the staircase of heaven. So the final journey is known as the Mahaprasthantika Parv, is said to have been their final ascent to the 10th salvation. So the wife of Draupadi was the first to fail after crossing the Saraswati river here at this point. So the Vasundhara waterfalls where Sahadev, one of the Pandavas' brothers, falls and died after Draupadi, also flowed by the Nakul also. So Arjuna was the fourth person to die and Bhima was next, and in end only Yudhishthir and a dog that had attached itself to the groups of reached the heaven. So Draupadi died because of her love for Arjuna, Bhima died for his gluttony, and Sahadev died because of he was too proud of his wisdom, and Nakul died because of his vice was vanity throughout his life. Arjuna's sins was in the pride too. So we already discussed about the lots of things regarding the Malasat. So this is the part of the Swarg, a staircase of the heaven where Pandavas along with their wife visit and got salvation from here after worshipping and meditation in the Garhwal region in Uttarakhand and Badrinath. So that was a very famous and historical place that was also visited by the Adi Shankaracharya. So this is the all idols of the Pandavas brother Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev, Yudhishthir and Arjun along with their wife Draupadi. So this is the way I am trekking and going to visit lots of places here right now. So lots of historical places. Later even Mahabharata, which is one of the largest epic in the world, which was also written by the Mahasi Vyas in the place, and this is the idol of the dog and just before the Yudhishthir. So really this is the all Pandavas brothers idol which is visible from the here. So I am feeling so awesome here because Mana is a very peaceful place in our country, which is located in Chamoli district, only 22 km away from the Indo-Tibetan border. So we already discussed about the Mahasi Vyas, where the Mahabharata was composed and wrote by the Mahasi Vyas with the help of Lord Sri Ganesha, where Ganesha Gufa is also there. So still I am visiting and enjoying here and seeking the bliss and getting the knowledge about the all Pandavas and Draupadi, and this is the idol of the Mata Draupadi here. Let's see who first was the fell from here and got salvation. And this is the idol of the Nakul, one of the brother of Pandavas. And this is one of the also very old temple here, which is good for meditation also, that is in natural places, which is a Tirupula Bala Sundari temple. This is a Tirupula Bala Sundari temple which is located just after crossing the Bhim pool in Mana village, after the part of the Swargarohini, the staircase of the heaven which was used by the. So let's see, this is a temple, Jai Ma Tirupula Bala Sundari temple. So all over tourists who are coming to visit, definitely they are also coming to visit this temple also and used to trek here. And lots of places which is popular in Mana, such as the Vasundhara waterfalls, Satopant lake, Bhim pool, Saraswati temple, and the boat caves is also popular, such as the Ganesha cave and the Vyas cave. all are popular. So I will also go to explore. And from the Tripura Sundari temple we can see all over the Mana village just before the Alaknanda river and Saraswati river. It is visible from the here. So
Hello
it
friends,
really
this
is
is Ganesh. So right now I am at the place where the Mahabharata was written by Ganesha with the help of Mahasi Ved Vyas at the place. So I am going to visit this temple and learn also facts regarding this temple and visit together with me. Thank you so much. And stay and learn with me. Thank you.
So this is the cave, Ganesh cave. I am going to visit the Ganesh cave, and along with the Mahasi Ved Vyas cave, because it is one of the historical place in Mana village. So the Mahabharata is considered the largest epic in the world, made up of over 1 lakh slokas or over 2 lakhs verses lines, which written in Sanskrit during the Vedic period, dating back around 400 BC. So Mahabharata is about the Pandavas and Kaurav brothers, the Kurukshetra war and the triumph of righteousness over evil. So it also includes the philosophical and the devotionals of materials such as the discuss of the 4 goals of life. In Indonesia, the Mahabharata is known as the Bharat Yuddha. And the Mahabharata, an ancient Indian epic, has 18 parvs that is called as a book in Mahabharata. So first one is the Adi Parv, Sabha Parv, Vana Parv, Virta Parv, Vidyog Parv, Vishnu Parv, Drona Parv, Karna Parv, Sale Parv, Sauputrika Parv, Stri Parv, Shanti Parv, Anusadarsan Parv, Asud Medika Parv, and Asra Masika Parv. And then after that the Mahaprasthantika Parv and Swangarohini Parv. So these are the total 18 books in Mahabharata. And right now I am just going to visit the Mahasi Ved Vyas Gufa, that is a cave where the Mahabharata was written by the Mahasi Ved Vyas and composed. So all over tourists who are coming to visit this place, Sri Mahasi Ved Vyas Gufa Satya Param Dhimahi. So I am going because inside this temple the camera is not allowed, even in Ganesh Gufa also, so I cannot go with my camera, but I am showing everything from the here only. So let's see. So it is one of the religious place and I am feeling so awesome here after coming to visit this and learn lots of
so
things.
Right now I am taking the rest in the parts of the Himalaya region in the village of Mana, which is considered as the first village of India, which is located in Chamoli district close to the Badrinath temple. Sorry, and it's also located 26 kilometers away from the Indo-Tibetan border from the Mana gate. So let's see the view of this place. Really it's a very good place and I am feeling so awesome here, and let's see and explore together with me and learn lots of things regarding the places. So even Valley of Flower National Park also located in Chamoli district close from here, but in this time I am not making plan to go there because I will think about that, because that and even the Valley of Flower National Park also added as a UNESCO World Heritage Site as a national natural site in India. So let's see and explore together with me and feel how I am feeling here. So it is a good opportunity which I got here today in Mana village. So let's see and
So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.